Have you ever wondered what happens to beloved TV characters after the cameras stop rolling? For fans of the Brockman family from Outnumbered, the recent Christmas special in 2024 brought back a wave of nostalgia. Before diving into their journeys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. The Brockman family first graced our screens in 2007, capturing the essence of chaotic family life. Fast forward to 2024, and they're back for a heartwarming Christmas special. Their first since 2016, and it's a joy to see how the cast has grown and evolved over the years. When the show began, Tiger Drew Honey, Daniel Roche, and Ramona Marquez were just children aged 10, 6, and 4. Now they're navigating adulthood while still embodying their iconic roles. Claire Skinner and Hugh Dennis return as the loving yet overwhelmed parents, Sue and Pete, ready to tackle the holiday season with all its ups and downs. In this special, Jake struggles to juggle parenting and remote work while Ben prepares for an exciting journey at Karen faces her own challenges at work and in her personal life. And Pete has some hard truths to share with it's a relatable mix of family dynamics that many viewers can connect with Afrikaners. One of the most fascinating aspects of Outnumbered is witnessing the cast grow up on screen. Fans have watched these characters mature over 5 seasons in various specials, almost like watching their own children grow. A recent photo shoot by Top Mob highlights this transformation, showcasing the original cast alongside their current selves. Now, let's take a closer look at what the cast has been up to since their days on the show. Tiger Drew Honey, who played Jake, has kept busy with various projects. He's appeared in BBC Three's Cuckoo, guest starred on Midsummer Murders, and even participated in reality shows like Celebs Go Dating. Recently, he made his pantomime debut as Prince Charming in Cinderella. Daniel Roche, known for his role as Ben, has taken a step back from the screen since the 2016 special Automatic organizations. At 25, he balances acting with his rugby commitments, playing semi-professionally for Wasps Academy and for he's shared that managing both passions can be quite a challenge. That Ramona Marquez, who portrayed Karen, has amassed a significant following on Instagram with roles in The King's Speech and The Best Exotic Marigold Hotel. She's made a name for herself. However, it's her character, Karen, that continues to resonate with fans, leading to frequent mix-ups with the name. Claire Skinner, who played Sue, has remained a familiar face on television. She starred in shows like Inside No, 9 Inches, and Power Monkeys. Recently, she's been seen alongside Jason Watkins in Coma, showcasing her versatility as an actress. Hugh Dennis, the beloved Pete, is a regular on our screens, known for his work on Mock the Week and Would I Lie to You? since the last special. He's appeared in various productions, including Fleabag and The Couple Next Door, proving he's as busy as ever. As we reflect on the journey of the Brockman family, it's clear that the cast has not only grown, but also embraced new challenges and opportunities. And it's a reminder that while we may outgrow our childhood shows, the memories and laughter they bring remain timeless. And remember, why did the family bring a ladder to the Christmas special? Because they heard the holiday spirit was at an all-time high. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,